Hi, today we learn to make this microphone. You see this is the reference picture of the actual microphone, and this is the model that we are going to create. Okay, to do this, let me put this out of the way. Okay, maybe here. Okay, we will start by making a cylinder about 15 centimeters and maybe about 2 centimeters radius. Click that. Go to the front U-board. Oops, something is disabled here. Let me fix this. Okay. Okay. So we have this basic cylinder. Everything starts with an edit poly modifier on top. Just make sure that the cylinder has about 12 maybe sides, and we don't need height segments. You have to put only one here. Okay. Then we add the poly modifier and we start to basically basically select these vertices here and scale them down a bit. Then go select those edges and add a connect modifier by right clicking. Not modifier, sorry, using the connect tool. And basically I'm trying to create this here. Okay, so it's somewhere over here, like this. Okay, then there's a second one over here. Connect. Basically, you can see this goes straight here. So we have to scale it a bit. So you don't see here. There's a step. If you for better precision, you can right click on the scale tool, and with Alt you can go down until you will not see any steps here in this line. That means that it's straight line. Okay, then we go and add the more detail. If you click one edge here and click loop, it automatically select the entire loop. We can use the extrude modifier over here. This basically does this, but you can do also this. Somewhere like this. Okay? Then we go and add the hole below the microphone, like this, and extrude like this. Also from the top. Inset this polygon over here, top, and again extrude, and maybe a little scale so this won't come out of the model. Like this. Okay. So now we'll go and add the support edges, like I like to call them. If you select this and shift click, sorry. Click the connect, select 2, and then put about 99 value here. So we can go as close as we can on the edges. We do this here also. Here 99 is a lot, maybe something 97. Okay. Like this. Okay. Here we can try something. Click Shift, select the loop of the edges, the ring, and then sorry, click and select all. Actually, delete this place here. Select these polygons here and click extrude. But in the extrude you have to choose local normals. So we can do this step here, as you can see here. See? I don't know what's this. I don't think it matters. Okay. Then we can select these edges here, click connect, the same process again. 2, as close as we can. Also for here we choose this and click ring, so it's selecting all those edges, and again clicking connect, not the connect button but this settings button here, and controlling the value. Okay, so basically now we have supporting edges here, here, here. Let's go over here. The supporting edges is a very good tool to control the chamfer of the edges. If you see here, it's a little hard edge, you see that? We control that with choosing how close the supporting edges are. If we ring, if I put them very close, it's going to be very hard edge. You will see if I add the Turbosmooth modifier. Selecting about 3. You can compare, if I go close here, you can compare this edge with this edge. You see this one is smooth and this is more hard edge. If I also add 2 here, now basically it's perfect. Okay. We can then go here inside the bottom part, select those with shift, clicking, put supporting edges here and here. Oh, sorry. This value over here, and also on the top. Basically, you can select again all these edges and click, right click and click repeat. This will repeat the same process you did on the bottom. Okay, then we select those edges and click, not bridge, sorry, connect. So for that, 2, and close. So now we have the bottom part of the microphone. Okay? Now we go to this part. We clone this like this, copy, not instance. Careful of that. Delete all those modifiers, like that. Basically, put this on top. And add some height. Okay. We put an edit volume modifier. Again, shift select. We are trying to mimic this curve. Basically, this curve has one edge in the middle, like this. Sorry about that. No, we have to select those vertices first. I just undo the steps and scale them up a bit. And then we select those edges and put a connect modifier, a connect. We use the connect tool. Okay. We scale this a bit, like this, and then we add one more. Connect over here and scale up this a bit. Okay. Then we go to this and this polygon. We click inset, so this can have a thickness like this. And basically delete. So now we're going to try to mimic this chamfer. Okay, if I select this one and loop it, we can use the chamfer tool like this, and maybe add one, something like this. We do this also in this edge loop here. Oh, sorry, bad, again, chamfer, and add like this. Okay, then we select those edges, put a connect as close as the edge we can, and also over here. Like this. Okay. Then we select this again with shift select, so it can select all the ring, the whole ring. Connect to again, connect to. Don't worry about the difference in size here. You see that? If I add a Turbosmooth modifier also over here, this will basically be the same. You see? I see now that maybe we can select those here and scale them up a bit, like this. Okay. So now This part that seems very difficult, we won't do exactly this pattern because it's a very advanced stuff. We can do something similar with a geosphere. Not sphere, it's geosphere. Basically, we add this sphere here. You can align this sphere with this tool in this part. I'm basically selecting X, Y, Z and center, center. So now it's perfect, like this, okay? Then we go to, if you select edge faces here, you can see the edges. Basically, you can control how many segments you want, maybe something like this. And we can add a very nice modifier that's called Lattice. We only select the stretch and add a very low value. Something like this, no, something like this, maybe a bit more, something like this. You can basically then control how many sides you want. Basically feels like more cylindrical, like this, and we have a pretty similar shape with very easy steps. Then we go to this part here, click clone, copy, delete all those stuff here, and then increase the radius to make this part here. Okay. Again, we click edge faces, edit volume, edge, shift click, and put 2 loops. Like this, to mimic this and this line. Okay? Then again we select this edge, shift select this, and here we will try something new. We will control click this polygon here, and basically this selects the polygons that are attached on the edges we just selected, and click extrude, but not like this because this acts very strange. We have to select local normals, something like this. Okay, maybe scale it up a bit, like this, and then we're going to add again the support edges. Right click, connect, again the same steps, nothing different. Here also, sorry, like this, like this, maybe here too, ring, sorry, I just undo, okay, like this, also here, and then go here, here, select those faces, insert them, like this, and then we're going to try something new here. It's the bridge tool. The bridge tool basically bridges those two faces. And you have something like this. But again, we have to add support edges. If you don't do that, it will be very strange result. Okay, add the Turbosmooth modifier. Somewhere over here. And exit the isolate selection. Basically, we have this. You can add more sides here, don't overdo it, something like this. And also, to make it more detailed, you can right click, clone this, okay, delete the lattice modifier, and decrease the radius to make this black foam you see inside here. So we have our microphone. Okay, the file will be available for you to download it if you want. Don't forget to check the website to see more tutorials like this. Bye bye.